Hi guys, good morning. Right now it's about 10 o'clock and today is 4th of April 2018. So now we are starting a fresh, very youthful team of Stock Pro will be presenting you good stocks every single day in all the segments. Now we're going to come up with all the segments. Trades will be done in every segment. So guys, first and foremost, before I forget, I want to take you to my channel and I want to request you to please join the correct channel. So right now we have this channel Stock Pro Training. I want you people to come to the Stock Pro, right? This channel, this is our now official channel. Please join this ASAP, right? Gradually this will be, we will not be continuing with this channel, but till everybody is migrated on the correct channel, we will be actually advertising over here that please join this, click this, you come to the Stock Pro Training and click this Stock Pro and join our channel, right? So we have given a lot of calls on our on our new channel. I want to show you, we have given Sonata Software once again, Godrej Agrovit, we have given it fresh price, Gravita, Sadbhav, Kaplan Laboratories and TVS Electronics. We have given a lot of stocks, today for buying. So guys, please join the correct Stock Pro channel. It's not Stock Pro Training. That's our mouthpiece where we advertise and do other stuff, but calls will be given on the fresh channel. The fresh channel is Stock Pro. So please join the Stock Pro and get the beautiful calls the way we gave it on HDFC Live. See today again where the HDFC Live is. It's really doing well. It's at 500. We gave it at what point? We gave it at about 460, right? How many days? We gave it on 2nd April, 3rd April, and today is the 4th April. In 2 days, you have got almost 10% return. So guys, these are the kind of returns, these are the kind of calls we will be giving you on this channel. Please join Stock Pro channel. It's no more Stock Pro, training. That was our old channel. You have to join this new channel. Here you will get the fresh calls. Okay, so let's go further. Let me teach you. I have a lot of things on my agenda today, so we're going to be talking about all of them. So first and foremost, before I go on, let's talk about Nifty. So let me mark the Nifty's morning range, right? I'm going to mark Nifty's morning range and see what's happening. So see here, this is Nifty's morning range. Nifty has crossed this with volumes, right? It looks to be pretty much solid to me. And now, yesterday when I was making my video, it was a little, there was absolute unpredictability in the market yesterday. Although I tried to do my best, but somehow I failed. My predictions were not as good, but that's okay. We are sitting in the market. Market is supreme. Like I may predict something, but ultimately it's the market which is supreme. So we have to honor, we have to respect market. So this is how Nifty's graph looks like. Let me put the pivot points and then talk about it. Let me put the pivot point and then we'll see what's happening. So Nifty has crossed the pivot point with volumes yesterday. When I was making, it was taking a resistance at that time, but Nifty solidly crossed this particular point, which is the pivot point. So now Nifty looks to me in a very positive zone, right? Today particularly it has given a gap up opening and there is a price rejection from the lower levels. So let's go slowly and see different time frames, what's happening. So in 1 day time frame also Nifty is looking very rock solid to me. This price rejection from the lower levels shows me that Nifty has now little strength. Let's see how the day ends. We don't know. This is 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, the first candle is huge and it is red. It is open above the pivot point, but it got a resistance from R1. Now, if it crosses the R1 with volumes, then I would definitely expect Nifty to go up to 10,300. Let's see. Let's wait and watch. Okay, so what I was wanting to tell you other day when I made my video, it didn't have a good quality, good sound quality, so I want to repeat the whole thing once again. Um, Basically, I was talking about on that day RSI. RSI to me is a very, very powerful tool. And what is relative strength? It's a momentum indicator. So basically, what I have done, I have modified the settings of RSI. So here, what I have done, overbought I have made 60, oversold I have made 40, and I've given them the colors. So this is, I've modified, oversold as 40 and overbought as 60. So with this modification, now what I want to tell you here, whenever the RSI crosses 40 and then it crosses 60 in quick succession, we consider the stock or anything, stock or Nifty to be having a positive momentum. But similarly, if it comes from top to bottom, comes from top to 60 and then crosses further down, it's a sign of weakness in the stock or the index. Another thing I want to tell you, in case it takes a support at 40, right? You see here, you see this support region, you can see. Let me take a pen. Look at this region. Can you see this region? Nifty is taking a support. In this region, Nifty is taking a support. You see this region? Nifty is taking a support. Nifty took a support again from 40. So whenever Nifty takes a support from 40, it basically is a clear indication that Nifty is planning to go up. You can see from here also, it took a good support at this point. Look at here. This is where Nifty took a support, and this is how Nifty took a support and then took a flight up. Again, yesterday it took a support here and it took a flight in the upward direction. I'm talking about this is a 15 minutes graph. So whenever I'm going to talk about Nifty, I'm going to talk about 15 minutes. Whenever I will be talking about stocks, I'll be talking about, 1 day. So now, similarly, if RSI takes a resistance from 60, right, it means there is a weakness. First, it has to come down from 60. Second, it has to take a resistance. If Nifty takes a resistance, RSI takes a resistance, means the strength of the underlying stock is diminishing, right? So that means, see here, this RSI is actually not being able to cross even 60, taking a good resistance. And see here, you can see, I'm going to mark it for you. You can see the resistance here and the resistance here that Nifty has got, and see the downfall that has come in next, a few hours. So RSI really plays a very, very good role. In case RSI is between 40 and 60, assume that there is nothing going to be happening into the stock, right? For example, see here. Look at this part. RSI is between 40 and 60. Between the green part and the red part, RSI is between this part, which is the red part, and RSI is between the green part. So 40 and 60. And see here what's happening to Nifty. It is also horizontal, doing nothing. If you want momentum, RSI has to quickly cross above, come out from the lower levels and cross 40, and then from between 40 and 60, it has to go above 60, right? So this is how important RSI is. Watch it very, very carefully. Watch it very, very carefully, and many times you will be able to save very, very deceptive trades in case you are focusing on RSI. So this is about, how RSI takes a support. Now, like, see here, time and again RSI has taken a support, and between 60 and 40, nothing happened to the stock. But the moment RSI crossed above 60, Nifty has gone up. right? You can see anywhere. So what are the important things? Between, if the Nifty takes support at 40, then definitely it shows strength and it goes up. If Nifty's RSI takes a resistance with 60, see here at this point, market has come down, right? So these are very, very important points about, you know, uh, these are very, very important points about RSI. Similarly, now RSI, gives you the relative strength. There are many more finer nuances about RSI, right? So suppose I'll give you one more and then tomorrow again I'm going to elaborate upon it. So this is 15 minutes of Nifty. Suppose any time in a day Nifty's RSI goes above 80 or 85 or 86, then be careful. That gives you an opportunity for shorting, right? But you don't have to short till then. How do you short? When you short, that you will have to fine tune. That I fine tune in my webinar. But be careful. You don't have to short at that time. You have to hold your position. I mean, you have to carefully short, right? Carefully short. And as it is, I'm telling you, the RSI has to cross 60. Now see, although it is in the overbought region, I want to show you here with the pen. So see here, this is RSI here, right? The stock is also here, right? The until RSI goes down, see here, it's coming down. Until it is coming down, you should not exit. You should not actually, sell, right? When do you sell? When only, first and foremost, the RSI has to go below 60. That's one condition. Second condition is that the candles have to come below 10 moving average and leave it. If it does not leave, means it's not an opportunity for us to short it, right? For shorting, what is important? That the stock or the price or the Nifty has to leave the 10 moving average, and RSI has to go below first 60, then it has to go below 40 in quick succession. So RSI basically is a very, very, very powerful tool. Now see, for example, this point. I'm showing you with various examples. RSI has taken a good support at 40 level, and see here, after this market has gone up, right? You can see that it remained in the overbought zone for quite some time, but the moment RSI went down, see here at this point, RSI is going down and even the market has come down after that, right? So watch RSI. If you want to trade, you want to do some intraday trades in Nifty, please never, overlook, RSI. I would say MACD is not as important a parameter as I believe RSI is. MACD is not as important, right? So watch out RSI carefully. Like I told you the other day, we did this trade, which is HDFC Life. If you see here in this, if you make it 1 day graph, its RSI is making a double bottom. Can you see this double bottom? And the stock itself is also making double bottom. So moment it crossed its hump, see here, whenever this particular hump is crossed, it gives you ample opportunity for market to go up, right? Similarly, I was telling you yesterday, even HEG, if you look into HEG, as long as this RSI is between the two 40 and 60 lines, it will do nothing. But the moment it crosses in the upward direction, and see here, it's taking a support. Where is it taking a support? On the 40 lines. RSI in HEG is taking a support means what? Although the price is coming down, although there is some kind of a profit booking, but the stock has strength. But the stock has strength, right? And that's the moment the RSI crosses in the upward direction, you definitely can go long in it. See here at this point, when the moving average is taking a support, enter and enjoy this run up, right? So watching RSI very, very carefully and trading well using RSI. That should be your USP. master it. Even I would say forget about MACD. MACD also gives you a lot of idea, but if you want to skip it. I don't care about. But MACD is fine if you skip, but RSI you should not. You should monitor it very, very carefully. Okay, so I've given a lot of stocks today. Please analyze each of them, and maybe you can, make some small positions into them. And even the stocks that I've given earlier, they are doing extremely well, right? Very, very well. Now, even my members have figured out yesterday Banari Sugar. And look at the beautiful run up Banari Sugar is about to have. I would rather like to give it on the internet. It looks very, very, I want to give it on the open forum. If we get it about 1800 rupees, there's nothing like it. If I get the stock at 1800 rupees, it is going to be a very, very good opportunity. Now, similarly, let me see Hester Bio. How's Hester Bio doing? Hester Bio looks very, very good to me. It's just going to be heading up, right? Then let's see a few more. GNFC. This is also a stock I have just given on the, my Telegram channel, and see how beautifully it's moving. I mean, it should give us a good momentum, right? I'm expecting a good momentum from this particular stock. So, guys, this is, what I'm saying. If you want to, trade in the market, please learn about, you know, which point to enter and why should you enter and how do you exit, so that you are not depending upon anyone else. You should be able to decide where to enter, where to exit, and you don't have to follow anybody's command. You should be master of all the trades, right? That is what my endeavor is. That is what I want to really you people to master: where to enter, where to exit the stocks, right? So with this, I want to sign off, but I am definitely waiting for you all, and wait for Saturday. Wait for Saturday. A lot and lot of announcements for you people, and a lot of goodies and a lot of things that you will get from us. Meanwhile, what you can do is go to my website and contact my team, right? Contact us. You just fill up the form, whatever are free goodies, you will be all getting it, irrespective whether you are a webinar member or not. Please join it and be the part of you know stock pro success story, and stock success of each and every you know trader in the market. So with this, I'm signing off, but I want you all to learn about the market, right? I determined that I will do my best to teach each and every one of you, but as far as you are concerned, it has to be your resolve in this financial year that you're going to be not depending upon any tip whatsoever. And if you ask me, many people say, but you give so many tips. I give so many tips. Why? Because I want you to understand the accuracy with which we give the call. Whether you buy or not, that's not our criteria. Our criteria is to teach you. Our criteria is to basically show our accuracy. So with this, I'm signing off. Definitely we're going to meet tomorrow. Please watch out all the calls that we are giving, and please, my request, join my proper channel, right? Where are you guys right now? Stock Pro training. You have to come from here and just click the Stock Pro link, and it'll take you to my channel, right? No, sorry, I'm going to take it from here only. You have to join here. This is my channel. It's about 1421 members right now. Join this. This is the correct channel. You will get a lot of information. Till you people switch over, we are going to continuing with this. We will be continuing with this, but please, I request you guys to join my correct channel. With this, I'm signing off. I'm going to advance tomorrow, you know the RSI once again. A next level of RSI I'm going to be teaching you. So but please remember, if it goes from bottom to up, 40 to 60, it's positive in quick succession. Similarly, if 60 to 40, it is going to be weakness in the stock. And third thing that I want to tell you, if anytime RSI is close to 85 or 90, it's a good opportunity for us to sell it. Similarly, if it is on a way, it's somewhere around 15 or 20, then it's an opportunity for us to buy. It's in the oversold zone. So above 80, overbought, our below 20, somewhere around 15, it is oversold, and you have an opportunity from there. The market may reverse. So with this, I'm signing off, but I'm waiting for you all. We will you know create history by trading correctly in trades in the stock market. With this, I'm signing off, but I'm waiting for you guys. Good day, bye bye, see you. Wait for Saturday. A lot of things, Saturday or Sunday, either of the day. You will get a lot of things from us just free, right? A lot of training, a lot of other things. Wait for surprises. Good day, bye bye. We meet again tomorrow. Bye bye.